Hurricanes by Mike S. and Derek S. Deadliest hurricane. The most deadliest hurricane was in 1970 in Bangladesh, killed about 1 million people, created the flood, killed more people than the actual hurricane. Hurricane Sandy killed 75,000 people, and 650,000 houses were either damaged or destroyed. The cost of hurricanes. Hurricane Sandy did over $75 billion worth of damage to Atlantic City and later spread to New Jersey and New York. Father. Hurricanes do a lot of damage to the environment and our towns and cities. Causes. This video will show you how hurricanes are start from 8 to 1:30.
We have a question about the energy in the hurricane.
The energy in the hurricane comes from the ocean, along with really warm water in the ocean. That causes water to evaporate. These molecules water, they take some heat energy with them, and as that heat energy gets up to the hurricane, those water vapor don't condense, and they release their heat into the atmosphere. And that's how the hurricane gets its power. That warm air we see in the center of the storm line, that comes from the ocean.
Is there a name for that?
That's called latent heat, because latent means it's kind of hidden. So you can't put a thermometer in and measure correctly, but it's in those molecules, like little bubbles. So,
And what happens to the energy after the hurricane system?
so the top of the hurricane behaves like a giant radiator in an engine. It's warmer than the surroundings because of all that heat, and it just radiates it out into space.
Researchers from NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration work from both in the air and on the ground, investigating the energy needed to form hurricanes, as well as the energy hurricanes release. Looking at these factors may help scientists better predict the strength and paths of the storms, ensuring the safety of people everywhere. While NASA and NOAA work all around the globe studying hurricanes, here's a classroom activity that lets us look at real hurricanes and make some.
Solution part 1. The hazard map will be texted to you and will stop whatever you're doing and tell you the time that a hurricane will hit. This will happen on phones, tablets, and laptops. Like this map in the picture, it will be on a phone. Solution part 2. The hazard map will lead you to a concrete house that has no plumbing but has food and water to last a month and feed about 3 families. It is circular to keep air flowing past. Even if it does blow up, there are safety chairs that have bars to keep you there. The bars latch you up to the chair until you walk it. Why care? So many people died during the hurricane. We want to stop buildings from being damaged and people getting killed by the high winds or the floodwater. The money will be used for a concrete house that has food and water to last a month, as we said. And the hazard map will appear unless you block it Wi-Fi or not. Thanks for watching. This is restrictions.